Ever stumbled upon a productivity app that looks like it crawled straight out of a sci-fi movie? A place where sleek databases meet colorful to-do lists, and everything somehow connects seamlessly? That, my friends, is Notion. But here's the real question. Can you snag all that fancy organization without whipping out your credit card? Buckle up, because we're diving deep into the free version of Notion, uncovering its secret strengths and, well, let's just say a few limitations. First things first, let's acknowledge the elephant in the room. Notion's free plan is generous. You get a whopping 5 megabytes of storage, which might not sound like much, but trust me, it's enough for a surprising amount of organization. Think dozens of pages, hundreds of tasks, and a good chunk of brainstorming notes. Here's where the free plan truly shines. Flexibility. Notion lets you build whatever your productivity heart desires. Need a content calendar that doubles as a video script planner? Done. A habit tracker intertwined with a project management dashboard? You got it. The possibilities are truly endless, thanks to Notion's core features that are all available for free. Databases are your secret weapon here. They're essentially glorified spreadsheets that can morph into anything, from a recipe collection with detailed nutritional information to a book wishlist complete with star ratings. Borrowed from your friends, of course. And don't forget the magic of Notion's pages. They're your blank canvases, ready to be filled with text, images, to-do lists, you name it. Embed a YouTube video for inspiration? Sure. Link to a Google Doc for collaborative brainstorming? Absolutely. But here's where the free plan starts to show its cracks. Collaboration, the holy grail of many productivity apps, is limited in the free version. You can only share your workspace with 5 guests, which might be a deal breaker for teams or anyone who wants to get feedback on their Notion creations. Speaking of limitations, storage can creep up on you faster than you think. Uploading large images or embedding hefty PDFs can quickly chew through those precious 5 megabytes. It forces you to be ruthless, to prioritize what truly matters in your Notion world. Then there are the bells and whistles. Upload limitations? Yep. Version history restricted to the last 30 days? Absolutely. Fancy integrations with other apps? Sorry, gotta pay for those. So, is the free version of Notion worth it? Absolutely. It's a fantastic tool for personal organization, brainstorming, and building beautiful, functional systems. But if you crave collaboration, unlimited storage, and all the fancy extras, the paid plans become mighty tempting. Ultimately, the choice is yours. Take the free version for a spin, explore its power, and see if it fits your needs. You might be surprised at how much you can achieve with just a little bit of Notion magic. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy organizing.